Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn some tips which will help us too much as a researchers. For example, many researchers use external programs or online tools or websites to convert PDF files to Word files. So the first step here is that we can use Microsoft Word program itself to do the conversion process. Yes, we can use Microsoft Office to do this process. How can we do that? For example, here, this PDF, we want to convert this PDF to Microsoft Word text. So the first thing, we right click on this file and click here, open with, then choose another application. So here we will scroll this bar and more applications, then choose Word. See that this message, press OK. Yes, this is our articles. And if we open the PDF files, this is the PDF files, and this is the PDF files after conversion to text. As we see here, the file is successfully converted to text file. We can manipulate this file, copy, paste, add something, here, enable editing, okay. We can add anything, any text here, something like this. Do whatever we want to do. So this is so easy, The second tip I want to talk about is that we can split the Microsoft Word window. I will teach you how to do this, and we'll talk about the advantage of this splitting. So to split this window, we click here on the View tab. Then we will see here, we will click on Split Window. So the Word places a horizontal split, as we see here. The Word places a horizontal split bar on the screen. The advantage of splitting the same document into two sections makes it much easier to cut and paste text from section to other and apply it in elsewhere in your document. If we want to write discussion section, in the paper, if this is the discussion section, for example, say this is the discussion section, and we want to see, we need to recall the numbers, say, or we need to use some text from result. Here are the result, for example, then we can split the window. This is the same document, so we can split the window to recall some numbers to use them in the discussion section. So in this case, split option will help us a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see new videos once they are uploaded, you can subscribe our channel and click on alert button. Thank you so much.